Your perfect recipe of oil-free, preservative-free, achar masala-free, sugar-free lemon pickle is here. I am Nirali Patel and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a tangy, spicy and downright irresistible lemon pickle that's full of flavor and made the traditional way. No shortcuts, no artificial ingredients, just pure natural goodness. Stick around and I will show you how to make this homemade pickle that's as healthy as it's delicious. It's pure natural goodness straight from your kitchen to your plate. So, are you ready to spice up your life? Then let's get started. Alright, wash these lemons like you're scrubbing off your Monday blues. Then pat them dry because moisture is the enemy of pickling. Next, cut each lemon into small pieces. You can quarter them or cut them into eighths, depending on your preference. Be sure to remove any seeds. Why? Because bitter seeds equal bitter regrets. In a big bowl, toss in your lemon pieces like you're inviting them to a party. First, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of rock salt. It keeps the lemon fresh and gives the pickle its zing. Next, a tablespoon of turmeric powder for that Insta-worthy golden glow. This salt enhances the flavor and acts as a natural preservative. On the other hand, turmeric powder not only adds color but also has antibacterial properties. A great pickling adventure. Now transfer the mixture into a sterilized glass jar. Pack it tight like you're trying to fit all your vacation clothes in a carry-on bag. Cover the jar loosely, don't seal it like your secrets. These lemons need room to breathe as they ferment. Now place the jar in a sunny spot for about 2 to 3 weeks. Depending on your location, it may take 2 weeks or maybe 10 days. Every day, give the jar a gentle shake to mix the contents and ensure even fermentation. The natural juices from the lemons will seep out and create a tangy brine. Fermentation is basically lemon spa treatment. Leave the jar in a sunny spot for 2 to 3 weeks and give it a little shake every day. Alright, toast the spice squad. Take 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, 1 to 1/2 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 8 to 9 black peppercorns to a dry pan. Toast them lightly on a medium heat until your kitchen smells like a spice market. Smells like happiness. Once toasted, let them cool for a bit and grind them into coarse powder. Don't make it too fine, we want some texture in our pickle. Alright, now let's melt the sweet hero, jaggery. Take 300 grams of good quality jaggery. I am using Krutika brand jaggery made from sugarcane juice. Trust me, it's the real deal. To jaggery, I added 2 tablespoons of water. Don't worry, adding water won't spoil the pickle. Stir the jaggery gently until it smells into a smooth glossy liquid. This is what's going to give our pickle its sweet kick. Clearly see the difference. On the left side, the jar is full of fresh lemons just starting their journey, and on the right, after 10 days of fermentation, they have softened, melted into the brine and reduced to half of their size. This is the hallmark of perfectly fermented lemons. No bitterness, just pure bliss in every bite. And this is the only right way. Follow the Right, it's time to bring it all together. The magic of sweet, tangy and spicy flavors. To the melted jaggery, add coarse spice powder we prepared earlier. First, add 1 teaspoon of hing or acetophyta. This tiny spoon packs a big punch of earthy flavor and aids digestion. Next, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Next, 1 teaspoon of Nigella seeds for their nutty flavor. These tiny black seeds not only adds flavor but are extremely healthy. Add 1 tablespoon of black salt for its unique tang and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder to give. Mix everything together as if you are conducting a symphony of flavors. Each ingredient has its part to play in creating the perfect balance of sweet, tangy and spicy notes. Finally, it's time to bring in the star of the show, our perfectly fermented lemons. Add them to the bowl and coat them generously with this sweet and spicy goodness. Make sure every piece is drenched in flavor. And there you have it, your traditional lemon pickle. Ready to enjoy. Store it in a clean jar and let the flavors deepen even further over time. The best part of this pickle is there is no store-bought achar masala, no sugar, no oil, no preservatives. Just absolute bliss in its simplest, most traditional form. Follow this exact proportion I have shown in this video, and I'm super confident this pickle will elevate any meal with its pure, tangy and bold flavors. Once you have mixed everything and coated the lemons thoroughly, it's time to store it. Transfer the pickle into a clean airtight container. This step is very important to keep it fresh and full of flavors. You don't need to refrigerate this pickle, it's naturally preserved, so simply leave it on your countertop or in a cool dry place and it will stay fresh for months. No hassle, no preservatives, just pure natural goodness. It's the best. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your fellow pickle lovers, drop a comment below and tell me what's your favorite way to enjoy achar. Until next time, stay spicy, stay sweet, stay connected, and bye for now.